Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how you can delay animation on Canva. So first, let's click on the background and let's go to animations by clicking over here, animate. Here we have different page animations, and let's say I'm gonna use this one as an example. Now over here, where I have animate, I'm gonna select both, so that the animation will occur when the page starts and when it is about to change. And if I play over here, my presentation, as you can see, it shows up with the animation, and if I skip to the end, then it is gone after 10 seconds. If you want to delay that and you want to make it longer, then you can click on this timer over here, and here we can edit the timing. We can move the slider after 30 seconds. And if I do that and I play my presentation, then of course the animation will once again occur when it starts, but now the video has 30 seconds instead. So after 30 seconds, the animation should go away like so. So this is how you can extend your animation and delay it. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.